Crypto markets are extremely volatile, and the one mistake that most of the traders make is they try to apply the same strategy that has worked in the Indian markets directly in the crypto. But crypto behaves very differently. So we decided to understand the crypto market first, then build the system around it. In this video, I'll show you a crypto option buying system that we have built based on that same research, and it has shockingly given a 700% return historically. What we did was simple. We started observing the crypto deeply, not just chart, but we also go through all of the research papers, volatility studies, and behavioral pattern that exist in the crypto markets. And we had a simple hypothesis: what if crypto behaves differently on each weekdays? And after analyzing the data, we found a pattern. Crypto does not behave same each day, and more importantly, Sunday tend to be more trending days comparing to other days. So we decided to focus on this edge and built a system around this edge. So the hypothesis was simple: we will only trade on Sundays on BTC, and we will only trade when there is a momentum on Sundays. Means we will not enter in a trade until there is a strong sign of momentum on Sundays. So on the basis of this hypothesis, we built a crypto option buying system. Now let's just go to the Algo and see how this system has performed historically. As you can see on my screen, we are on the Algo. If you are a new user, you can create an account using the sign up button. You can just create an account using your phone number, and if you open an account using the link given in the description, you will get a 25% extra credit on each purchase. And if you are an old user, you can just log in directly. We have done the login. We'll just go to the backtest section, strategies, and I'll open a strategy that I have created. So this is the crypto option buying system. We are trading it on the BTC USD, means we will only trade on the Bitcoin, and we will enter at 6:35 and we will exit on the next day on 5:29. Means we will enter as soon as market starts. So the strategy logic is pretty simple. We will buy a call or put of 80 rupees premium when they increase by 140%. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say your premium is trading at 80 rupees and you have put a 140% simple momentum on your trade. So your entry will happen when your premium goes to 200 rupees. So the same logic has been applied to put side. And apart from it, we have two exit conditions here. First one is we have set a 60% stop loss on each leg for the trade. And second condition is we have set a trail stop loss, means once we are in the profitable trade, we will not convert it into a losing trade. So for that, we are using a trail of 5-2. It means once we are in the profit of 5, we will move our stop loss by 2%. Apart from it, we also have a overall target of max profit, which hits when our profit becomes $50. So this was the entire logic. Now let's backtest this on the historical data. As you can see on my screen, the backtest is completed and result is shown. But before moving ahead, we will have to add the days filter. So as we said, we will only trade this system on the Sundays. We will remove rest of the days, and this is our strategy on Sundays. But before moving ahead, we'll have to add slippages and taxes and charges to see the realistic image of this strategy. Since the crypto markets are very volatile, we will add a 5% slippages in this system. Even after adding a 5% slippages in this strategy, the strategy has given a good results. To execute this strategy, you barely need a margin of 5,000 rupees, and in that margin, it has given a 61,000 profit in the 2025. And if we talk about 2026, in this year also, it has given 8,000 rupees profit, and the year is still pending. And if we talk about our equity curve, it is very smooth. Apart from it, our drawdown curve is also very good. And if we talk about our overall stats, the win percent of this strategy is 45%. The max drawdown is 4,733 rupees, and our return to max drawdown is 11, which is a very good for an option buying strategy. And for an option buying strategy, one thing is very important, which is risk to reward ratio. And for this strategy, we have a 4.46, which means if we lose 100 rupees on a trade, we will tend to make 460 rupees in the next upcoming trades. And if we talk about the expectancy ratio of this strategy, it is 1.46, which is also an amazing number. Now let's understand how much margin you need to execute this strategy. As you can see on the screen, the max drawdown for this strategy is 4,700 rupees. And to execute this strategy, you also need a 5,000 rupees margin. If we combine them both, we will need a capital of 10,000 rupees to execute this crypto option buying system. And even if we consider the capital of 10,000 rupees, then also in 2025 it has given a 600% return in just 1 year. Now we have backtested the system. Let's move to the next step, which is executing the system. And the good news is crypto execution is completely free on Algo via Delta Exchange. And if you are watching this video first time and you haven't opened a Delta Exchange account, you can open the one from the link in the description. As I have already saved this strategy, I can just go to the Algo or forward test page to execute this strategy. If you want to paper trade this strategy, then you have to go to the forward test page to execute this strategy. And if you want to trade this strategy directly in the live market, then you can just go to the Algo page and activate it live. So there is an Algo button on the nav bar. We'll just click on it and we will search for our strategy. As you can see, this is my strategy. I'll just complete my setup execution. The activation is completely free, as I said before. I'll just click on the activate button and my strategy will enter. And the same thing goes for the forward test. I'll just go to the forward test page, search for my strategy. This is my strategy. I'll just click on select setup and complete. And once I click on the activate button, my strategy will be activated. In this video, I have shown you how you can create a crypto option buying system from hypothesis to complete strategy. If you find this video helpful, then you can like this video, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask us from the comment sections. See you in the next video.